Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove editing restrictions in a Word document. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and save your file or document in a folder. Okay. Move it to a folder. And once done, if the document is currently opened, you're going to want to close it. Okay. Close the document and now start fresh right here. Now we have the document inside a folder. Now just click on view right here. Click on show. Click on file name extensions. All right, as you can see here, we have the file extension .docs. So what we'll do is just right click on it and just click on rename. Okay, rename it to .zip, like so. Tap away, hit on yes. There you go. We now got the zip file. And what we'll do is just double click on the zip file. Now go ahead over to Word right here. All right, Word, double click. Now go ahead and click on settings.xml. Click on delete or right click and hit on delete. There you go. Hit on yes. Now once done, close this one. Rename this one to .docs once more. .docx. Hit on enter. Hit on yes. Now double click on it to open it up. Now once done, the editing restrictions should be gone by now. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.